Hi, Heartfelt families, and thank you for joining me for today's small group activity. My name is Miss Emily, and I'm one of our toddler teachers here at Heartfelt Impressions. I work at our Clarkston location, and I am so glad that you joined me. Today, we're going to be making mixed paint sensory bags. For this activity, all you need is a Ziploc bag. You can use one of any size. You also need two different colors of paint. I'm using red and yellow, but you can use any two colors you like. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill our bag up with some paint. So I'm going to put some red paint in first. You can use a little or a lot. So I put my red paint in. And then I'm going to put my yellow paint in. So now I have all my paint added in. Now if you're worried about your little one opening the bag, you can tape it after and they won't be able to open it as easily. So you can do this a few ways. You can just have the bag in your hands. You can tape it onto the table or a window, maybe the high chair, so that it, doesn't have as much of a chance of making a mess, but otherwise this is a pretty mess-free small group. So we're going to start squishing. So I'm going to hold mine up so that you can see. So I'm going to start mixing my red and my yellow paint together. I'm going to push it all over, spread it throughout the entire bag. Now if you want, you can put a piece of paper inside your bag, like a thicker paper like cardstock, and when you pull it out, it'll be covered in paint too. So I'm going to squish it all around. Wow, my colors are mixing. My red is getting lighter. My yellow is getting darker. They're mixing together. I almost am starting to see a different color. It's starting to look orange. I wonder if that always happens when I mix red and yellow paint. So I'm mixing all my paint. Now it's all mixed over. Maybe I'll draw some lines in my bag. Practice drawing lines. Maybe I'll try and draw different shapes. Maybe I'll draw a circle in my bag. Circle. You can squish it and see how it feels. Feels squishy. And if I hold it by my ear, I can hear the bag crinkling. There's so many different ways that you can describe your bag. How does it feel? Is it warm? Is it cold? Do you feel the paint inside the bag? Do you like the way it feels? So wow, now I've squished it all together and look how different it looks. My red and yellow paint mixed together and now I have more of an orange paint. So you can keep playing with this as a sensory activity. This is a great sensory exposure activity. You can see it, feel it. You can, the younger ones might put it in their mouth and that's okay. The paint's not going to come out. So this is a great activity because it learns cause and effect of what happens when we mix colors. You're working on your observation skills. You're exploring the idea of same and different. It's great fine motor as you squeeze it in your hands and you draw different lines in it. And it also just works on our creative art skills as we're exploring different types of art materials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this sensory bag activity. It's a great activity for kiddos of all ages. Your Heartfelt family misses you so much, and I can't wait until we're all back together again. Bye guys, thanks for joining me.